Madam Speaker, as advances in medical science result in improved treatments and personalized medicine, the development of unborn children is further understood. Doctors can perform life-saving surgeries on babies still in the womb at earlier points in the pregnancy than ever before. When a baby is born prematurely, medical innovation is increasing the likelihood of that baby's survival. Babies born as early as 20 weeks post-fertilization are being cared for in neonatal units across the country. By 8 weeks after fertilization, the unborn child reacts to touch. By 20 weeks post-fertilization, the unborn child reacts to stimuli that would be recognized as painful if applied to an adult human. The baby responds the same way you and I respond to pain, by recoiling from it. As Dr. Anand at the University of Tennessee is considered the leading expert in the field of fetal pain and stated in a report accepted by a federal judge as expert testimony that, quote, "It is my opinion that the human fetus possesses the ability to experience pain from 20 weeks of gestation, if not earlier, and the pain perceived by a fetus is possibly more intense than that perceived by term newborns or older children," end quote. Surgeons entering the womb to perform corrective procedures on unborn children have seen those babies flinch, jerk, and recoil from sharp objects and incisions. Recognizing this discomfort, surgeons routinely administer anesthesia to unborn children in the womb before performing surgeries. According to Planned Parenthood, the largest abortion provider in America, babies aborted at 14 weeks or later are often subjected to a painful dismemberment abortion, which involves inserting a long steel tool into the womb and grabbing usually an arm or a leg, tearing it from the baby's body and pulling it out of the mother. The procedure is repeated as the baby is torn limb from limb until his or her entire body has been removed and the head is finally crushed and removed. The dismemberment abortion is the most common method of abortion in the second trimester. Another abortion procedure involves injecting dioxin and/or potassium chloride into the baby's heart, which induces cardiac arrest and the baby's kill. Madam Speaker, it's important that the American people understand exactly what happens when they hear the word abortion. It is a heart-wrenching, painful procedure that tears a baby limb from limb before crushing his or her head, or it is a poisonous chemical injection. A March 2013 poll conducted by the polling company found that 64% of the public supports a law like the Pain-Capable Unborn Child Protection Act, prohibiting an abortion after 20 weeks when an unborn baby can feel pain unless the life of the mother is in danger. Supporters included 47% of those who identified themselves as pro-choice in the poll. The poll also found that 63% of women believe that abortion should not be permitted after the point where substantial medical evidence says that the unborn child can feel pain. Madam Speaker, Congress cannot sit idly by while this grotesque and brutal procedure, which rips the tiny baby apart limb by limb in the womb, is performed in our country. That is why it is necessary for Congress to pass H.R. 1797 and protect the lives of these unborn children from this excruciating pain. And Madam Speaker, I ask unanimous consent to submit for the record a summary of the evidence of the unborn pain research.